In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to set the delay time on your first message in ReachOwl. Create a new campaign and choose Facebook group members as your target audience. Choose the message sequence campaign type to set up a series of automated messages. Name your campaign. Fill in the necessary details. Click Next to proceed. Craft your first message. Here's the updated feature. Now you can set a delay for the first message. Previously, the first message was sent as soon as the campaign was created, regardless of any time interval set. With this new delay feature, you can specify the time interval for the first message to be sent after the campaign creation. Once you've composed your messages and set the delay times, click Save to start your campaign. You can see that your campaign will start sending messages every 2 minutes, but it will also be delayed by 5 minutes from the start time as you've set a 5-minute delay. Monitor the progress of your campaign to ensure that messages are being sent according to the specified delay times. You'll notice that your first message is sent after the designated delay period, and subsequent messages will be sent with a 2-minute interval, as I've set a 2-minute time interval in the setting. That's it. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.